Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preheating the oven to 180 degrees C and readying 2 8-inch pans. Grease and line them so the cake releases cleanly. Now sift 200 g flour with 50 g cocoa, 1 tsp baking powder, and 1/2 tsp salt to aerate. This prevents dense texture. Meanwhile, whisk 150 g sugar with 2 eggs until pale. Then add 120 ml milk, 80 ml. Once your batter is smooth, divide it evenly between the 2 pans and tap them on the counter to release large air bubbles. Place both pans in the center of the oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure to rotate once if your oven has hot spots. Test doneness with a skewer. It should emerge with a few moist crumbs, not wet batter. Cool cakes 10 minutes in the pans, then flip onto a rack to finish cooling completely. You level the cake tops with a knife, then spread a thin layer of frosting or ganache between the layers to lock moisture. Stack, crumb coat, chill, then apply the final frosting. Make sure to chill 15 to 30 minutes after crumb coating so the outer layer smooths evenly. Serve at room temperature for the best crumb and flavor. If a cake sank or is gummy, trim the top, brush with sugar syrup, or convert the crumbs into truffles. That salvage tip saves your bake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.